pineapple squish. I don't even know what my YouTube name is anymore. But kawaii pineapple squish here. I'm going to be doing a really fast king's court. And yes, I know, I'm really late on this. Please don't say anything in the comments. I'm very sorry. But we're going to just be doing a really quick round. So I'm going to pick like these two and these two. What would I do without your smart now? Driving me. Okay, so I got it. So first up, I already picked got him. Okay, so first up are these two. This one wins. This one wins. Then the second one is chow cake and this. And I love this one. But the winner is, oh, just kidding, this one. Are you kidding? Just kidding. Okay, but the winner is this one. Then these two, well, I'm going to show you the other one, but this one, this big old hunkin' one, I'm sorry, I'm just excited, I don't know why, but this one, and then this Jumbo Punimaro melon pan bun, and I'll show you it's real. It has the licensing right there, and I even have the packaging for it. Hang on, I'll show you in a minute. Okay. Super squishy. It smells like vanilla, this packaging. Yeah, but these ones, wait, these two are gonna, oh wait, okay, so on to the final round. Wait, second round? Yeah. So these two are versing each other. This one wins, this one loses, sorry. These two, stop it! Sorry. This one and this one wins, and the last two is these ones, and this one wins. Yeah. Love this one so much. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. What is your favorite squishy? Mine is this one. Mine is this one. So yeah, peace, guys.
What you feel? Tell me just a little bit about your dealers.